Welcome to Info Knowledge Amaze. Meet the Maserati MC20, where Italian craftsmanship meets cutting-edge performances. A masterpiece designed to make your heart race and your head turn. Today, we'll dive into what makes this supercar a true game changer. The MC20 is a visual stunner. Its sleek, aerodynamic design isn't just about looks, it's crafted for speed and efficiency. From the iconic trident emblem to the elegant butterfly doors, every detail speaks of Maserati's legacy and modern innovation. Designed in Modena, the MC20 embodies a bold vision. Its carbon fiber monocoque ensures lightness and rigidity, while its sculpted lines optimize airflow. This is art, science, and speed harmonized. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit. The luxurious Alcantara and carbon fiber accents blend comfort with sportiness. Dual 10-inch screens keep you connected, while every button and switch is positioned with precision. Under the hood is the Nettuno engine, a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 producing 621 horsepower. The MC20 rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.9 seconds, with a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Whether you're on the track or the highway, this supercar delivers exhilarating performance. The Maserati MC20 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A perfect blend of elegance, innovation, and power. Ready to experience the thrill of Maserati, the future of supercars starts here. Like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on the MC20 in the comments below.